Hello. Hello. Actually, because of in the last session we have worked on a lot of points, right? The machine learning and all. So today we are going to work on that, as well as we are going to work on the project analysis, right? So definitely today you will learn so many things about slicing of string. So that point I think I don't know so how that remain, but today we are going to work on that. Okay. So Friday, 7:30. Twenty nine. Yeah. Thanks. 29 4. Okay. So this is I'm just doing one thing. Okay. First, I will explain the repeat class of Sundays, as well as I'm showing you some new things. Okay. So you will get to know that how I'm just doing the slicing of this work. So first, I will show you new things, and then I will go for the machine learning concepts. Okay. Means how the steps are there and all. Yes, sir, Dennis. First, I will explain you one point, and then we go for so import. Even I have created one problem statement as well, so I will show you that one as well. Import numpy as a empty for SNS. Sorry, C as an SNS. Yeah, thank you so much. So I'm just taking one data set that is an pd.read csv that house price. Okay. One thing is remained here, that is okay, data set dot get. See, I just want to tell you, if suppose if I want to slice down the data from this, I want only Bangalore, Mysore, Bangalore, Ghaziabad, like this. So how can you do that? Any idea? Any idea about this one? So please let me know if you are having idea about it. Please. How do I slice down the data? How do I? Because so many things that we have, right? learn, but I'm just thinking about what about using log. Um, we can get that column, but how can you get that? How can you get that slicing of string by column? How can you get that? Is that is that correct? What I'm saying? I will show you how to do that. But before I pull and yeah, actually means I'm thinking about this one as well. Means how can you convert that data into that, right? So any idea about it? Any idea? So we can slice down the data of column. You can give the idea about it. No problem. Using the name of it. Yeah, you are going to slice down the Bangalore from the right means first comma there we have, right, and you are going to slice down the data. So that I'm going to think about. I'll show you one thing. I'll show you one thing how we can use that one also. Okay, see now. One of one of my student executives this one. See, we are going to use the slice down, right? So slice down purpose, if suppose, see, we are going to apply on this address column. Okay, address column is there, and in that address column, you are going to slice the string. So splitting first, splitting is first comma that is in this one. See this one, comma. Everyone has an first comma this one. Everyone, right? So you are passing split from comma dot str dot get first. So get first means which comma you want, the first comma, right? Get first. So if I execute this one, no, definitely check out. See, are you getting what I have done? This is my previous column, and this is my updated column. So suppose if I'm discussing about this one address column, then so many garbage data we have, so line numbers and all. So what about this one? So Bangalore, Mysore you are getting. So even you can get it. How many Bangalores are there? How many uh, other cities means higher cities and all. So if I am using address, okay, dot value counts. Check out. So Bangalore, Lalitpur, Mumbai, Pune, Noida. So you are having this much cities properly with the rows, right? So splitted by this one. If suppose once again I'm just thinking about it, if I load this data, hmm, pass down here, pass down the data one, okay, and data one dot head, okay, not an issue. So split, there we have the function, right? Split function. So let's try another one thing. I would like to go for there is a no second slicing, no. Mm, why not I take Titanic dataset? If suppose if I take Titanic SNS dot Titanic, what is this? What is the Titanic PAN SNS dot load underscore data set. Yes, Rohan. Thank you. And I'll just pass here TIPANIC. Titanic. Yes. So if I would like to try to split this one as well, so it is possible. Let's check out. Hmm, P. So this is the first, and data, that is column is embark down. So let's check out if it is works or not. Just I'm doing R&D here. See, sorry. First T, HAMP, HAMP. From where did you read the This is from the Titanic dataset. You can take the dataset from the SNS as well. SNS is having dataset in their library, already predefined datasets. There we have near about 7 to 8 datasets. I explained in the one of session this one. You can take like this as well because already you will get this through in SNS. Okay. See what happened. The first T is saying. So I'm just looking for the first T, but he's not in first T. Suppose if I'm taking second T, once again I'm just executing this one. See, he has taken the second T. Okay. Second T is nothing but from the list. The first T is in on the SOUT and second is NT. Okay. So this one goes. So if suppose another one thing we can go for female and male, the first E will be there. Okay, first E. So if I try for the this column, what happened? Okay, this is working differently. So this is not should this is not. I'm expecting answer because I would like to go for the first one. No? So why he is removed E? So he is doing like this one. This much he removed. Means this much he added. So let's go for the another one example in concept, splitting concept. Split and splitting is different. Hmm. Two, three, four, four, two, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Okay. So now, so let's do another one more. Okay. So once again, I'm just going for the slicing. Okay. STR split into the bracket. So split into, suppose if I think about, mm, what do you think? We go for the slicing of from comma because you will get a multiple. So what do you think if I pass a dash, and is it possible that we can get from the dash to here? Is it can what do you think? Is that possible with the dash? If suppose if I'm passing like this one, str dot split dot str dot get, and this one. The first dash, if suppose if I say like this one, then definitely address what vocabs it is. See, we got it from the this one, and the others are completely gone. This should not be like this, no? Means data should be there of the remaining points, but we are getting the some bad performance here. If suppose we do like this one, definitely we could get a problem. See, here we are getting the proper way with the comma. If suppose mm, splitting is working properly, but if we take another one, some scramble data set, then definitely it shows something differently. Are you getting my point? What I'm doing here? The slicing of the string that here we are working. Slicing. Check out the address column, Rohan. Can we take the space as character as the comma? No, actually, there we have to, string. You should have to pass. No, always something that suppose if you are passing a space here, so how can we make an difference? See, the problem is going on here. The address. It depends upon your problem statement. You want to slice down the cities, then always recognize the commas there we have. Sometimes some of the commas you will get in near about two times commas. So always that is the major thing that you will get the problem in the splitting. If suppose you will get in two commas, then it it makes the some serious issues. Wait, I will check another one data set. If suppose we will get the proper data, no, then no, here also we don't have. Let leave it this one. If suppose I want to slice down the some part of like, wait, I will show you one. Hmm. See, if I want to split this column into two columns. I want to split this column into two columns. How can I do? Because you know that is the end expectations that we have today. The way I'm working, I want to go for slicing, but I want both data. If I split down, it will be converted into two columns. Means from this one you will get a single column, and from this one you will get another one column. So let's check out if it is working or not. Hmm, let's try for this one. This is also correct. Okay, this is also correct. Means you are passing here first comma, and just wait if it is working or not. See, we never get it properly. I want to slice down into the two pieces. If suppose where that other data, because I want another one column here. In this concept, we have seen splitting is into right one, and this is we have seen this one. So I want two columns here. So how can I go? Wait, why not I use same concept here and pass one? See, we are getting problem here. But you know what actually? If I get an original data set, see, if I get an original data set and you apply this on original data set, see what we got. The difference that we are having no, that is in string here. So which one you want? If you pass a zero, then you will get in here left side. Means the way we have got this ASFC layout. And if I pass here one, then you will get in this way. Because the splitting by the comma, and comma means this is the first comma you are passing here. Okay, that's why we are getting here problem. But I want to slice down into the two pieces. So if it is, can we try another one time? Can we try? Okay, dot. I'm using same concept here, but see, I'll pass len. Okay, I pass a len, comma, data set, city. Okay, our major column name, that is a data set address, and will pass str dot split. Okay, into the bracket. You have to tell to the which one, that is first one dot str. Yeah, I think this is working. See, last column, see. Are you getting my point here? What I'm doing? You can remove the address column, but the lane and city we are passing here. But there we have created the two columns using address, lane and city. Even though we have here there's some garbage data, but you have to do like this one. Means you have to remove from this. This one also you have to remove. Means double comma is there. No? That's why we are getting problem with this. But definitely it will work. See, if suppose um, this one is in best to create two call from single column. Okay, and this one is for the splitting a string. split a string from single. You got the point what I'm teaching to you, because this point is remained. That's why I'm just curious about this. Can anybody tell me how to concatenate the two columns? How to concatenate two columns? Yes. So how can you concatenate two columns here? Is it possible from you? Let's check out. I'm just passing your data set, column name, mouse is equals to. Is it possible we can do like this one? BHK number and BHK or BHK number dot plus data set BHK underscore RK column. Concatenate option is also there. Okay, so let's check out unsupported operand plus integer and string. Okay, integer is also there. See, you have to do one thing here. You know what? That time you just slice down a as type into the bracket int or sorry str, because bhrk is in str. That's it. See, mouse column, because this is a become a string column, no, 2 bhk 2 bhk 2 bhk. So that's why I have done. You can remove that column as well. So column removing purpose, you can use the delete function, but you can remove easily. It is right, not an issue. This is possible. Yeah. Is it possible from you to do this exercise? Means removing column and adding column. See, some of the problem statement that I have created, and even I will share that one. Check out one thing. Um, I'll take a first data set. Okay, these 2 points are completed, means splitting and joining. And now I'm taking some problem statement instead of going with the theoretical session. It will be good for me. Is it audible? My voice? Yeah.
It's audible, sir.
Please let me know if my voice is clear. See what I'm doing here. Data set head. Okay. I'm going to slice down first this column and then we'll do the work. So I'll take this one once again. Slice down. We got an sorry. Okay, this address column. And as we know that there we have data set dot so here we have the sum of the Bangalore cities. So I'm just passing here some cities that maximum numbers of flats and owners they have. Okay, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, and I will take up this much only. I'm not taking a Lalitpur here, Noida. Okay, there we have the 4 major cities that we can do the exercise with. Suppose I would like to slice down the data, those are having Bangalore's only. Those are from the Bangalore's only, and that posted by means Bangalore's data that posted by only owners and dealers. See what I'm saying? Slice down the data of Bangalore's. Those are posted by owners and dealers, and it must be RERA approved. RERA approved. One means RERA approved. So how can I pass the condition? How can I pass the condition? Block. Okay. Let's go for this one. Data set dot block. Data set. Which column we are going to pass that address column is equals to see here I'm passing another one that data set. Okay, because this is working on the two columns, means a single column in two conditions. That's why I'm just passing a dealer and owner. Okay, dealer, Deler. Okay, yeah, it's correct. Rera column. Yeah, I have to pass Rera column here. There is, uh, yeah, actually, what happened? We are applying this condition and this condition. So, oh, sorry, this one. Now got the point. Thank you so much for informing me. See, we got in dealers and owners data about Bangalore's almost 1094. So, you know what actually? You can do a plotting of SNS as well. So, we have SNS there. So, we can pass the data set as well, relational data set. Is it possible, right? Yes or no? We can pass the SNS as well. So instead of taking this one, why not I take another one condition and slice down the data? So I will go for the Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune's data with the posted by. Okay. So check out once again. I'll copy this code. Okay. So this one, I want multiple, no. So only owners, dealers data posted by. And now uh, let's check out this one. address. Yes, we got in proper data here. And you know what? Another one column is posted by owners and dealers. With the condition of this one, always just remember that you will get, if suppose your condition, your problem statement looks like an having a three or more, two or more values in a single column, means you are expecting a fetching two or more values in a single column. You have to pass into the single parenthesis with the different formation like this. First, second, and third one. And condition should be there, but you no need to pass an and condition in this, because you want that Bangalore, Mumbai, and Pune's data as well here, right? If you pass the and condition, you will not get any kind of ends. Why? Because your each row will check for the Bangalore. If suppose Pune is there, Pune is check with the Bangalore, and suppose you are having and condition, this condition is false, and that whole data will not go for the process. So always pass the or condition in between that when you are having a single column with a multiple conditions. Okay, you are applying a multiple condition on single column. Okay, and condition is compulsory when you are having a two different conditions, means two different columns. Okay, here also. So now the way we are getting the data now. So if I would like to go for the plotting of SNS dot cat plot into the bracket, sorry, into the bracket, you know what we have to do? X is equals to, is it possible, guys? Why not I pass first here a target price, okay, x-axis, comma, y is equals to posted by data is equals to what? Data 1. What happened here? Target price is getting good. STR object has no attribute of get. That is not an issue. Oh, sorry. This is see. This is kind I'm passing here. If suppose if I'm passing kind and the string. See, so by default you will get a string. If I check for the swarm, I think it is taking time. Okay. Till then we can go for the another one till execution of this one. Okay. Data set data 2 is equals to data set dot log into the bracket data set of owners. Now I'm finding the owners data posted by equals to owner. I think definitely it will take a time to implement the swarm strip executed easily, right? Mm. The way we find out now, only two BHKs and three BHKs data we got it here, and another one I were passing. Still swarm is executed, so we should have to stop this and check out somewhat executed. See, but not in properly. Instead of that, we'll pass a strip will execute data set. And the persons should be, means the owner's data should be in Bangalore, Mumbai, and Pune. That is also we are going to pass. Means slicing down there, it is kind of deep we are passing here. Deep conditions are we are passing here. So better. This kind of exercise is important. If suppose we get it properly, so now we can do any slicing here, right? Bangalore. Right. See, we are having 20. I think some mistake we got it here. That is greater than 25 and less than 50. So better we should pass here and condition. Yes, I think it's good to have this, right? The completely that we have passed slice down data. Only owners data we got, PHK and RK's data, as well as owners means Bangalore's data, because Bangalore's and Pune city also data. But I'll check this one, right? This is x-axis and y-axis. Data is equals to. So categories are only limited, no? That's why. If I use this concept on the cat plot, then check out. Cat plot is in that is swarm and you can pass it there. And this is very easy to implementation, right? Category plotting. Implementation is good, not an issue. Let's go for work. Another one. Actually, what we have seen, in this part, we have taken owner's data only. Okay. Relation, the x-axis better to be numerical or the categorical. Um, Categorical it should be there. Why? Because categorical plotting in relational plotting, you are saying. In relational plotting, both should be a numerical. Both should be. Now I am passing the categorical data in. But the point is that if suppose your categories are more than suppose 3 or 4 and 5, then it's okay. But if your categories are limited, then definitely no need to use a relational plotting. In the categorical plotting, you can use one numerical and one category. It will be good for that. Are you getting? Relational plottings are both best one for numerical data. The way we have used in the tips, no, that thing. So tips gives properly implementation. Tips as well as we have seen Titanic as well, age column and hair column. So it will be good, right? So wait for another one. Another one example I'm just taking here. Here what we have done, just I'm explaining. The owners data we got, the BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK data we got. In that target column, greater than 25 and less than 50 we are getting. And address column Bangalore, Mumbai and Pune we got it, right? So simultaneously, before I go for the another program, I will give you one more problem statement to you that I have created for the one student purpose. It's good for the exercise, right? See, 7 problem statement I have given to one of my group. Okay, pro. So you can do with this one. So can I explain this one? What I have done? Join 2 columns of BHK and BHK RK column. 2 BHK like this. Slice the data of address column with the first city. Make a round of make a round of 2 for all the numeric columns. How can you do the round of? Any idea about it? Is it possible that we can pass the directly dataset dot round with the 2? Are you getting what I'm saying to you? Here we have 1300.23. So I want only 2 precisions. So how can you pass? See, are you getting a point here? Round up values. This is also we are getting same latitude, but sometimes you should go for the by column as well. By column, if you go, you have to pass down the column name is equals to dataset column name and round 2. So it will be apply on only single column. Okay. Find the count of BHK flats for the Bangalore cities. See, you have to find the count of BHK flats in a Bangalore city. Those are having the RERA approved. Those are having RERA approved means this is RERA approved. You have to slide down the Bangalore city's data and check the count of how many BHK flats are there. Find out the count of dealers and owners who are having a resale flats in a Bangalore, Mumbai, Noida, and Pune. See here, you have to slice down the first address, okay, with the split, and check out the resale flats. How many resale flats are there? Is it? Are you getting my point? What I'm saying? So find out the count of dealers and owners who are having resale flats in Bangalore, Mumbai. So this line, this problem statement is possible when you slice the data address column into the cities. Okay, find the owners who are having flats between 25 lakh to 50 lakh with 2 BHK flats only. Means those are having 2 BHK flats. Means owners 2 BHK flats, that flat rates in between 25 to 50 lakh. So we have to find out this one. Increase the flat rates by 10 lakh when Bangalore city and Mumbai city with the 5 lakh. This is the new problem statement we have. You know, we have to increase the flat rates here. What I'm saying, we have to increase the flat rates. How? Yeah, that's the question. Increase the flat rates by 10 lakh. Okay, so where we get that flat rates here, the last column, that target price is there, so you can pass the 10 plus 10. You have to do plus 10 means how can you pass that plus 10 value? Are you getting or not? Is it possible with the for loop? Yeah, the name of the column plus 10. No, not like that. You have to increase the column value. Means there we have some values in between that. You have to increase this value count, value size. I will tell you, don't worry. Yeah, totally new statement. So I think from my side, I think some value, some voice is coming to you, like construction, right? Actually, here bridge construction is going on in front of my office only. So that's why you're getting the some kind of voices here. Yeah, that's great. Then my very noise is very high. My mic is good now. I think I have to trust my mic. Yeah. Data set head. Okay. So you know what the question that I have here? Here. So I would like to increase the count. No. So you should have to do like this one. Sorry. For x in data set into that. Check out the size. 55 is there. No? So 10 I am just increasing, and that will be stored into the AB. And after that, what we have to do? We have to take one column target is equals to blank list dot append into the bracket AB. Is it possible? Because target price in the lakhs, that will goes into the x, and x plus 10 that will be stored into the AB, and AB I'm going to append into the column target. And once I got the column target, you have to do one thing here, that is data set dot insert into the position. Is suppose I would like to take that position into the second position. Column name is column new target price comma call underscore target 65 first, and previous one 55. Got it? It's easy, no? Actually, study is important. The exercise is important. The way we have implement the code, that is important. If you don't do, no, then see the way we have increased. So question is that increase the flat rates with the 10 lakh when Bangalore city and Mumbai city with the 5 lakh having RERA approved. See, actually my problem statement is a little bit different, but you have to increase first 10 lakh rupees. Means with the 10, you have to increase the column. Okay, increase the value. After that, if Bangalore city and if Bangalore city and Mumbai city having RERA approved flats, then increase increase the target rate with 5 lakhs. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say? If Bangalore city and Mumbai city is having RERA approved, then and then only you have to increase the target rate with 5 lakh. I think this is interesting. No? Yes. How can you check that if that is an RERA approved or not? Once you do the 10 lakh increment, means first you have to increase the 10 lakh of cost of every flats, and then you go for the Bangalore and Mumbai city having RERA approved or not. If that is an approved, then 5 lakhs you should have to increase. Means not only that 10 lakh you have to increase, you have to go for the 5 lakh as well. Right? This one will be the new concept for you to increasing and decreasing. See, the way you learn know about this one means increasing. We can take the another one example, not an issue. But the point is that if you increase this, increasing the flat rates and all, you can go with here also. So sometimes you can pass the question like suppose, wait, I will ask you some questions about it. Posted by and owners and posted by dealers are there, right? And if suppose that is a dealer, okay, that is a dealer. Dealer is a middle person, right? Dealer is a middle person. Owner is a direct person. So builder is an not a middle person. Builder is a direct builder person, means direct owner. It's like an owner. Okay. So now dealers. So if suppose dealers having the RERA approved, dealers having a resale, means you have to create a problem statement like this. Okay, dealers having BHK or not, square feet. Still, we haven't gone through the square feet concept. Means if suppose owners and dealers, here we can do the analysis as well. Means not only the slicing of concept, we can do the prediction of cost. Prediction of cost is nothing but if suppose Bangalore city having how much square feet area to resell, how much resell area having into the Bangalore. So we can calculate the square feet and total square feet on the basis of owners, on the basis of dealers as well. Is it correct? No. You can predict as well, but prediction of accuracy of prediction, it will not goes into the analysis. It will be definitely we can do into the machine learning. Okay. But whenever you go for the study, then always think about the square feet. This is in continuous data. Okay, continuous data means you can slice down the Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai's data and passing down into the on the basis of slice down the data and check out the square feet. How many square feet are remaining? If suppose the resale is not there, if suppose that is in first time that is in selling, you can calculate the total square feet that is in first time selling. Right. So many things that we can do into this concept means house price prediction. You know why we have taken a single data set throughout the whole analysis, because we have learned now the behavior of this house price data set, right? Whenever some interviewer will ask you about this question, which project you have done into the analysis, then very easily you can solve this. Very easily you can explain this data set. Means how many columns are there, how many columns, those are based on the categories, and what type of problem statement you have done. I think near about 20 plus problem statement we have solved on this house price. So you can take any two or three problem statement to explain your interview, right? And I know you can solve easily because many programs we have seen, many problem statement we have solved here, right? The last problem statement that we have solved, that is in string slicing. I think once again I'm just giving a recap about this one. Okay, you got the point. The problem statement that today we have taken, and even check out the this point, these problem statements, go with this. Okay, 7 problem statement I have shared. So address and data set address, that is in actually these are the columns, and this is also a column. This str for the purpose of string slicing. So even where we have seen this concept dot str dot, anyone knows? Where we have seen slicing purpose? You know this, we have seen into the replace concept, str dot replace, even regex concept like that. Whenever you want to split down their data, that time. Yeah. So I think why not use this kind of concept here, means string based. Actually, whenever you get the data from the client, you will not get a like numeric. So maximum, if you want to go for the exercise, take a columns like a string and try to slice down the columns, means splitting into the two three columns, means one column split into the two three columns. So this is very interesting point. I know you guys are thinking about like how can we split it down, and we have seen this concept. Even I have shown you one example that where we have that cat got it. Very weird. Not this one. See this one. Here we have done already. We have sliced down the address column into the checkout. Two columns. So it depends upon you that you should have to work on that particular columns. Numeric columns you can pass directly on machine learning, but you cannot pass some string column into the machine learning. Machine learning can't understand the string columns. Even he cannot do the processing and implementation of uh, implementation of code as well. So always you have to convert your data into the numeric. Even BHK also you have to convert this into the numeric, because mathematical programs, mathematical equations are behind algorithms. Every machine, not only the machine learning. If you go for the deep learning, that time also you will get an artificial neural network. So there we have the activation functions as well. So activation functions are nothing but mathematical functions. So just imagine, how can we calculate the posted by columns, string columns into the mathematical? No. So think about converting the label encoding. If you guys missed out, or if you don't know, if you haven't done any kind of exercise with the label encoding, please go through with it, because label encoding is most important point for the analysis purpose, because you have to convert no columns, that's why. And once you see the data set, you have to understand the column behavior and all. If you are not getting column behavior, please go through the dataset.info. But you have to understand about the way I have sliced down the address column into this Bangalore. Even you know that there we have the so much garbage value into the column. So you have to work on it. You have to slice down the garbage data, remove that garbage data. If suppose you are having a double uh, commas, then check out how can I remove another one comma from the, because you don't have an extra comma into the other rows as well. So I'm thinking about, if suppose there any row you are having with multiple commas, then try to slice down that also. Many many students also getting stuck between the slicing. But I think we have seen so many things here, right? Multiple types of problem statement we have solved in the last 1 month with the pandas as well, right? And you have worked on it. If suppose you don't know anything, then please put your time. Why? Because in the interview sessions you will not get any kind of support from the means other peoples. If you don't know syntaxes and concepts, then definitely you will get a problem. Even some of the people, definitely they will get a problem in for X in as or in you have to pass. Means many people, you guys getting this problem. If else condition, else if how to pass. Just sit it down there and just memorize everything, every syntax of pandas, numpy. If you don't know the numpy functions, please memorize something. If you don't know related with the functional programming, because we have learned before in the last 1.5 month, we haven't seen the functions, Python functions. Go through that functional programming classes and all, because if you haven't done any kind of exercise of previous task, previous um, sessions, then this whatever the things that you are doing now, it is not good for you. So do the exercise from the beginning. Is it possible from you? Yes or no? Okay. So definitely we'll go for the tomorrow session as well. And tomorrow at the same time we can meet. And we are starting the stats tomorrow. So hope you guys will be there, and will enjoy the tomorrow session as well. Okay. I will share this file to the portal within just 10 to 20 minutes. Okay. And check out there. Thank you so much for joining this today's session. See you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.